A new record, nearly 3,800 coronavirus cases reported in our state in the past 24 hours. That is a 30% spike compared to the previous record set 2 weeks ago. Hello, everybody. I'm Denise Koch.
And I'm Vic Carter. The state shattered another record, the number of tests given in one day. It comes as we learn more about two people who lost their battle with this virus. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren just spoke with the family of a beloved Baltimore teacher who died from COVID. Mike.
Denise and Vic, Antwion Ball was a mentor to so many children in this city. There's been an outpouring of support. He did die from complications from COVID-19. He also suffered from diabetes. We spoke to two of his relatives tonight, and their message is that this virus is very real, and you never know who it's going to strike next.
Antwion had acquired COVID-19 probably maybe 3 weeks ago. And he was fighting with the virus. And what I want people to know is you got to take this serious.
Antwion Ball was a respected Baltimore educator who died of complications from COVID-19. Known as Busta, Ball was just 43 years old.
And he went to the hospital more than once. And people need to understand if you're not on your deathbed or having respiratory issues with COVID, when you go to the hospital, they send you back home.
Family members have set up a GoFundMe that has raised more than $4,000 for his funeral expenses.
As for right now, there's nothing we can do to bring him back. For those people who are out there that may, wonder, what COVID has done to a lot of these communities, the proof is right there. I mean, you just see a guy like Buster being taken away from us. 2020 has been vicious.
Maryland recorded a record 3,792 new infections and an 8% positivity rate. Johns Hopkins health experts spoke about where things stand.
We know we're never going to find all of those people who are infected and don't know it, but as test positivity increases, it increases our worries that our case numbers are an underrepresentation of the amount of infections that are out there.
It's going to be the states that actually determine how these vaccines will be distributed within the states, and the ultimate decision is really going to be made at a very local level about who gets the vaccine.
And also this week, Baltimore lost Charles Johnson to COVID complications. Johnson was a 45-year employee of the Department of Public Works. We learned that in the past 4 weeks, there has been a 500% spike in deaths here in Baltimore City. Live at 7 at the Convention Center testing site, Mike Helgren, WJZ.